thogora wa iguru wa maguta akiuria muingi uhe thirikari ihinda ria ukorwo magicokia maundu mothe uria mabatii. Oho Gachagua nioritie atongoria merutanirie gutngatira muingi na makiria momiririe muingi hindi riri ngarama ya muturire iri iguru ndeto iria inyititwo mbaru ni atongoria aingi. Ndumiriri ino irekereirio muthenya wa umuthi hindi igongona ria kuhurukia mutumia Teresia wa Geshi na uria ni nyina wa Lieutenant John Mwangi munini wa mutongoria wa biraru wa uciogitiri guku ya Daragwa guku ni county ya Daragwa. Mwandikito Shege wa Wanjohi no ratibula ikunjuro hwaini wa umuthi.
Sasa hata tukichiba hapa kuna kitu kitatoka hapa? Hakuna oil, hakuna chochote.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi rigathi wa Gachagua niateteire thirikari kumana na thogora wa iguru wa maguta, agitariria ati thi no yugumeire thi yothe na makiria kihoya muingi ugie na umiriru niguo thirikari ithondeke maundu uria gubatie.
Hii shida ya mafuta si ya Kenya, ni ya dunia nzima, na kwa hivyo hii shida itaisha, na mimi ningetaka mkuwe na imani that the darkest hour is just before dawn. Ni darora ndirona kashene ni dumaini na nigukirie gukia, na kwa hivyo ningetaka watu hapa tukuwe na subra. Sisi tulimwamini rais na mipango yake ni kababe na iko sawa, na mimi niko pale ninamsaidia.
Akiaria gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Daragwa kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua hindi igongona ria kuhurukia Teresia wa Geshi uria ni nyina wa munini wa mutongoria wa biraru cia ugitiri Lieutenant John Mwangi. Gachagua nioritie atongoria gutngatira muingi na makiria kuhe muingi mwihoko wa muturire kugacira ihinda-ini riri iritu.
And so far so good. The president is on the right track. Tuendelee kumsaidia. Na tumwambia wafanyikazi wetu wote wa serikali, hata kukiwa na shida, ongelesha watu polepole. Ongelesha watu na heshima. Heshima si utumwa. Ongelesha watu useme hapa iko shida, hii tutatatua, na mpatie watu hope. Tusiue watu roho ati ya kwamba mambo ni ngumu sana vile hao kanisa letu wanafanya.
Oho Gachagua nioete kanya kau gucokeria mbutu cia mbiraru ngatho ni wirutiri munene uria monanitie hari wira wa kugitira bururi, na makiria gituma ndumiriri cia macaka ya kuri andu a family aria matigitwo ni maabitha a mbiraru aria makuiriire mitino-ini ngurani mari wira-ini, na makiria kigathiriria unyitaniri wa ruhonge rwa mbiraru hamwe na ruhonge rwa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi.
Kwa hivyo to our military officers, let me on behalf of the commander in chief, to our generals and all those, the rank and file, thank you for your patriotism and commitment to protect our borders and to keep peace in our motherland. We want Waziri Duale and the generals to thank you for the way you are working with the Ministry of Interior to deal with our internal challenges in the North Rift and in parts of Lamu and Northern Kenya. We are indeed very, very, very grateful and indebted to our men and women in uniform for their patriotism and commitment to duty. And I want to request Kenyans to continue praying for our soldiers. Last week, we lost, I think, 8 in the course of duty. They have families, they have children, and these are people who have given their life to serve this country. Even as we pray for our leaders, for the president and for his government, let us remember to pray for our soldiers, our men and women in uniform.
Ado-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Shege wa Wanjohi.
Ndacokia ngatho.